A sales distributor is an individual or company responsible for supplying products from the manufacturer or wholesaler to retailers and shopkeepers within a defined geographical area. Distributors act as a bridge between the company and the retail market, ensuring availability of products at the right place, at the right time, and in the right condition. Area mapping. Define and allocate specific territories, locations for distribution. Maintain a route plan to cover all retail shops and outlets within the mapped area. Ensure fair coverage so that no potential sales point is left unattended. Delivery to shops. Supply products regularly to all mapped retailers and wholesalers. Maintain delivery schedules for smooth supply chain operations. Record stock delivered, pending, and returned in invoices or a digital system. Stock and inventory management. Maintain sufficient stock levels to meet demand. Rotate stock based on FIFO, first in, first out, to avoid expiry. Track sales trends in each shop to optimize supply. Handling expired or damaged products. Collect expired or damaged goods from shops during delivery rounds. Report issues to the company for credit note replacement policy. Educate retailers on proper product storage and display to minimize damages. Customer and shopkeeper relations. Build strong relationships with shopkeepers to increase trust and sales. Handle complaints or product quality issues. Update shopkeepers about promotions, new product launches, and offers.